Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include steering wheel controls, high beam assist, voice-activated command system, blind spot monitor. Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.